As temperatures decline with the onset of winter, it's the season to engage in our preferred cold weather pastimes. Whether it's skiing, ice fishing, sledding, or simply continuing our daily outdoor routines like running, motorcycling, or walking our dogs, staying warm is essential. To fully enjoy these activities and tackle less enjoyable tasks like shoveling, having the right weather-appropriate gear is crucial. This includes a quality winter coat or down jacket, winter boots, and perhaps even fleece-lined leggings. For those whose hands get excessively cold in regular winter gloves or even ski gloves, a practical solution may be a pair of heated gloves. To identify the best heated gloves, the Textiles Lab, comprised of scientists and engineers, conducted thorough research and testing on selected contenders in their lab. They considered various factors such as fabrication, construction, heating methods, ease of use, and heating intensity. Consumer testers also tried these gloves in real-world conditions, both on the slopes and outdoors in chilly weather. Following the evaluation, you'll find additional information about the different types of heated glove, the most effective material options, and other features to consider when making your purchase. All product links are in the description below. 1. ORORO Twin Cities 3-in-1 Heated Gloves 2.0. Renowned for its swift heating capabilities as validated in rigorous tests. A pinnacle of innovation, these gloves boast a thoughtful 3-in-1 design, providing adaptability and versatility for users. The setup process is effortlessly simple, complemented by intuitive heat control. Crafted from 100% polyester, both the exterior and interior of the gloves contribute to durability and insulation. The material features include a water-resistant exterior for both the glove and liner, enhancing protection against the elements, and non-slip grips on the palm for improved handling and stability in various conditions. The glove liners house heating elements along the fingertips and back of the hand, while the insulated glove functions as a robust standalone pair. Wear them independently or combined for comprehensive protection in extreme conditions. These gloves have touchscreen capability across the thumb, index, and middle finger, allowing users to operate their smartphones without removing the gloves. The primary heat source is a rechargeable battery pack, offering a convenient and portable power solution. The listed temperature range for optimal heating spans from 95 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a customizable warmth experience. With a maximum battery life of up to 8 hours on the lowest setting, these gloves deliver extended usage before requiring a recharge. Setting up the gloves is a seamless process. Charge the batteries, place them in their designated pouches, and activate the power button. Following a brief 5-minute preheat, users can effortlessly toggle between low, medium, and high settings. On the positive aspects. 1. The ORORO Twin Cities 3-in-1 Heated Gloves 2.0 excelled in rapid heating tests, quickly reaching the desired level of warmth. 2. Featuring a thoughtful 3-in-1 ingenious design, these gloves provide versatility for various weather conditions and activities. 3. The gloves are user-friendly, offering an easy setup process, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users. Drawbacks. While the inner layers impressed, some testers found that the outer glove to be bulky, potentially affecting comfort and dexterity, which is a deal breaker for some users. 2. Day Wolf Heated Gloves. Introducing a must-have for chilly days when standard gloves fall short, these glove liners provide a thin yet highly effective solution. In terms of composition, the exterior is crafted from 85% lycra and 15% elastic, contributing to their thin and flexible nature, while the interior consists of 100% polyester with moisture-wicking properties. This feature enhances comfort by efficiently managing moisture, keeping your hands dry in various conditions. What sets this pair apart is the inclusion of heating elements strategically placed on the back of your hands and fingertips, addressing the areas where cold typically sets in first. Offering versatility, they feature 3 distinct heat settings and are equipped with rechargeable batteries, ensuring a reliable power source that lasts up to 6 hours, according to the brand. Notably, this pair boasts an extensive temperature range, ranging from 100 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Their slim profile makes them suitable for standalone use during casual everyday activity, and they can seamlessly pair with outer gloves for winter sports, providing adaptability for various occasions. The touchscreen compatibility of the thumb and index finger allows convenient use of your phone without the need to remove the gloves. Available in 4 sizes, these liners are designed to ensure a snug, stay-in-place fit for all users. The pros include: 1. Ideal for everyday winter wear. 2. Heating elements cover the entire hand. 3. Available in 4 sizes for a snug fit. And on the flip side, the gloves require pairing with an outer glove for extreme weather or winter sports. which might be a deal breaker for some users. 3. Snow Deer Heated Ski Mittens. This particular pair features a water-resistant polyester shell, strategically reinforced with sheep leather in key areas such as the palm, enhancing durability and making it ideal for gripping ski poles or trekking poles, especially in snowy conditions. The thumb of these mittens is touchscreen compatible, allowing for device use without removing the mittens entirely. The heat source is provided by rechargeable battery packs, offering a reliable power solution. The temperature range spans from 100 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and the maximum battery life is listed at up to 6 hours on the lowest setting. The exterior of the mittens is crafted from a combination of leather and polyester, providing a water-resistant quality for added protection against the elements. Notably, these mittens provide comprehensive hand heating for up to 6 hours. The interior design mimics that of a glove, facilitating heating around each fingertip while promoting shared warmth around the knuckle. The versatility of this style is underscored by its wide size range, accommodating users from 2XS to 3XL. Convenient adjustments for a proper fit are facilitated by a Velcro tie around the top of the wrist and a pull cord at the bottom. Adding to the practical features, a discreet zipper pocket on the inside of the wrist enhances functionality. It's worth noting, however, that some Amazon reviewers reported challenges with Snow Deer's customer service related to the limited warranty. Outstanding features include: 1. The gloves feature an adjustable pull cord, allowing users to customize the fit for optimal comfort. 2. The upper portion of the gloves is crafted from sheep leather, providing durability and a luxurious feel. 3. A concealed zipper pocket. These gloves offer a convenient and secure storage solution. And on the flip side, some reviewers reported encountering issues with the brand's customer service, potentially impacting the overall user experience. 4. Outdoor Research Prevail Heated GORE-TEX Gloves. Unveiling a revolutionary design, these heated gloves from Outdoor Research defy the stereotype of bulkiness commonly associated with heated gloves. Unlike traditional models, these gloves incorporate an innovative design where the heating elements are seamlessly integrated into the interior line, minimizing the presence of bulky wires and ensuring heightened dexterity. Crafted from a blend of polyester and nylon for the exterior, 100% water-resistant leather for the palm, and 100% polyester for both insulation and lining, these gloves are meticulously designed for durability, water resistance, and optimal warmth. Notably, the water-resistant palm and waterproof inner membrane further contribute to protection against the element. These gloves provide comprehensive heating throughout the fingers and the back of the hand, offering 3 distinct warmth levels. Impressively, they boast a maximum run time of up to 8 hours on the lowest setting, courtesy of a fully charged battery. Beyond their heating capabilities, they feature insulation and a fleece lining, elevating comfort and warmth. These gloves are touchscreen compatible, allowing users to operate devices without the need to remove them. The heat source is a rechargeable battery pack, ensuring a reliable power supply. While the specific temperature range is not provided, the gloves offer a maximum battery life of up to 8 hours on the lowest setting. The pros include: 1. The gloves boast a design without bulky wires, ensuring a streamlined and comfortable fit. 2. Easy to use while on the move, providing practicality for users with an active lifestyle. 3. Equipped with a variety of plugs, making them versatile and suitable for different travel scenarios. And on the downside, the cost of these gloves may be considered a drawback for budget-conscious consumers. 5. Sunwool Heated Glove Liners. For those seeking a slim pair of gloves ideal for commuting, the Sunwool style is a popular choice on Amazon. This pair comes equipped with 2 rechargeable lithium batteries, with the brand asserting a lasting duration of 3 to 7 hours on a full charge, contingent on the chosen heat setting, though some users caution that the battery may not fulfill the promised longevity. Despite this, numerous reviewers emphasize that these gloves effectively maintain warmth during harsh winter conditions, praising their thin design that preserves essential dexterity. The meticulous construction of this pair is noteworthy, featuring a waterproof zipper for the battery pocket, fingertips that are compatible with touchscreens, and non-slip grips on the palms. Additionally, the inclusion of infrared fiber heating elements covers the back of hands, fingers, and fingertips, ensuring comprehensive warmth. The heat source is a rechargeable battery pack, and the temperature range is listed between 100 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum battery life is indicated as up to 7 hours on the lowest setting. Crafted from Lycra for the exterior and polyester for the interior, this pair strikes a balance between flexibility and insulation. The non-slip grips on the palms enhance handling and stability. Best features of the gloves include: 1. The gloves offer 3 adjustable heat settings, allowing users to customize their warmth level. 2. Comprehensive heating, with heating elements covering the back of hands, fingers, and fingertips. These gloves ensure thorough warmth. 3. Designed with a thin and stretchy fabric, providing flexibility and comfort during use. However, on the flip side, some reviewers expressed dissatisfaction with the battery life, suggesting that it may not meet expectations for extended usage. Check out the link below for product prices and availability.